Hi and hello. A pleasant day to my future employers. My name is Joanna Marigagno, 31 years of age from Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I am a mother of two boys, ages 11 and 13 years old. My work experience was being an all-around nanny for 7 years in Malaysia, serving 5 members of the family. My main duties and responsibilities are taking good care of the kids. I am the one securing safety all day long, especially when the parents at work. I am the one who's feeding them, give them bath, sleep them at night, read a bad stories, and play with them when I have a vacant time. Beside that, I am the one who's cleaned the house, vacuuming, mopping, fixing and arranging stuffs, and also cleaning and wash the bathrooms, washing the clothes, and ironing. To my future employers, you will not regret if you hire me. I'm easygoing and easily attached with the kids. I am joyful, cheerful, hardworking, flexible, and willing to grow and learn more. Mom and sir, please hire me and I assure you that I will love and take good care of your kids and the whole family as my home. Hope to serve you. Hope to work with you soon. God bless and thank you so much.